Morning team, it's about 9 o'clock on Thursday morning. I have my second parcel for the week, also from China. Shall we do it? There you can see. Dun dun dun. You will need one craft knife, it's my digital video recorder. Dun dun dun. So what do you got? The power charger thingy. That'll be interesting to use because it's not a New Zealand plug. USB, so I probably could charge it by that. So cables. Camera itself. So it seems like a simple point and shoot. Looks like you put your SD card at the bottom though. It's a bit strange. And then obviously you can put it to a tripod. So one side's all Chinese. One side I can read. So just got that. That's good. Right, so I suppose a couple of the weird things when it comes to this is where the battery is. The battery. And then look at that. Strangest little thing I've ever seen. What the heck? And then the SD card. And there. Alright, let's test this puppy out. glitches. I was filming just before and I press the stop recording button, which on this device is the snap, but it kept recording it, and once again it's kind of frozen up. So that doesn't help me. You don't know about that. The other thing is to zoom in. Push over there, it's fine. Push over here, and well, it just stays. Yeah, I'm particularly not happy with this product. I mean, look, and it's still frozen after 5 minutes. Got some cool settings, like with the photo features, how you can do black and white and sepia, red, green, blue, yada yada yada. But I mean, apart from that, it doesn't seem to be anything close to what I need. I mean, it keeps freezing. It's not the greatest camera in the world. I mean, you get what you pay for, yeah, fair enough. But I'm gonna give this camera, and it might change, a 1 out of 5 stars. As usual, the information for the camera will be in the description, so check it down below. And I do have more packages turning up, so be sure to come back and check in to see if I've uploaded anything new. Otherwise, you can hit the bell next to the subscribe button after you subscribe, because I know you will, because you guys are great. Thank you. But until next time, thank you for watching. And if there's something that you guys want me to look into, then let me know in the comments. Until next time, take it easy.